name Optima and is synonymous with quality equipment that will provide the best support to our future clients. When you are advertising for business and trying to provide a solution to a customer, I think it's very important that they recognize the equipment you're going to use. I think as a CDMO, the important part for us with a turnkey solution was to find an equipment supplier that could provide the full line, in our case, both a syringe and a vial filling system that could be brought fully through qualification in the factory, and then when it arrived at our facility, be started up much faster and smoother than many of the competitors. So when we were going through our equipment selection process, I personally have worked with Optima for over 20 years. That name Optima was always synonymous with good quality and the best solution for our clients.
Flexibility is very important in the equipment that we select. We do a lot of customers as a CDMO, which have a lot of different capabilities and a lot of different products. And so having maximum flexibility, whether it be change parts or filling technologies, is very helpful. I think the decisions that led us to expand our production capacity and select Optima is really having the most capability. So we bought a syringe line, we bought a vial filling line, and having those to be able to do high-speed commercial on both lines. And so we're able to adapt to our customer requirements, whether it's high-speed syringe filling or high-speed vial filling. The equipment offers both capabilities.
That way we have the highest capacity of both container types, as well as the most flexibility of each individual container type. A lot of the technology on Optima has continued to improve. They always stay the state-of-the-art operational efficiency software, operator support software, troubleshooting and maintenance software. So with all of those factors added in, I believe it gives us the best opportunity for success as we start up these lines in our facility. The other big factor that played a role is the US-based support. So we're a US-based company. So having the Center of Excellence in North Carolina is only a couple hours from our facility, which then gives us immediate response, spare parts, training, as well as US support for our startup and as we get the equipment up and running. The collaboration goals for us was a quality product that would be delivered on time. We're always trying to align our equipment schedules with our customer goals. And with Optima, that collaboration is long-term. So not only do we buy filling equipment, but we're also looking at syringe assembly and labeling equipment. So it's basically an end-to-end solution for us that we can provide and then maintain over the long term. We're trying to build our customer base and trying to create a reputation of reliability and sustainability. So I think, we're looking for Optima to help us grow as a business and to help us make the right decisions as far as what we selected for equipment. That's both helpful in the near term as we start up, as well as long term as we grow to a large scale commercial manufacturer. So to us, Optima has that full range of options, and therefore it was the right selection for us when we chose to go this route.
It's one of the most important factors in having a long-term partnership is really being able to trust the partner that you select. Optima has an awesome name and reputation in the industry. And so when we were looking at equipment vendors, that was one of the main criteria to make sure that we had a partner that everyone could trust, and more importantly, that we could trust to scale our business.